दाबोळ विमानतळ हो सदांच कार्यरत आसतलो तो बंद पडचो ना। विमानतळाचेर 32 नवे चेक इन काउंटर, 2 एरोपूल आणि हेर सोबितीकरणाचें काम हॉटेलकारांनी हातांत घेतलां। विमानतळाचेर गरज आशिल्ल्या नव्या पार्किंग सुविधेचें काम चालू जावपाचें अशी माहिती येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन शुक्रारा दक्षिण गोंयच्या हॉटेल संघटने वांगडा घेतिल्ल्या बसकेंत दिली। तेच प्रमाण फुडल्या म्हयन्यांत हवाई येरादारीत आनीकूय वाड जावपाची शक्यताय आसा। विमानांच्या लँडिंग स्लॉटां खातीर सुमार 340 स्लॉट दिल्ले आसात, मात विमान कंपन्यो त्यो जुळोवंक शकनात। मात अशें आसूनय स्लॉटांचो उणाव ना। सध्या 150 स्लॉट रिते आसात जे विमान कंपन्यांक वापरूं येतात अशी माहिती कमांडो आशिष भार्गवान दिली।
What this shows is Dabolim is here to stay well and increase the operation. That is the message, and that is what I think clearly they are going with a sense of great relief and confidence. And the beautification along the airports has been is going to be undertaken by our South Goa hoteliers. They are coming together to beautify the areas outside the airport so that our airport really looks awesome. We have seen the new bridge is coming up, new parking area is coming up, what Mr. Rao will perhaps mention to you. This shows that this airport, we are rather building it up further. The new part of the airport, which was the old terminal, there also we'll be having another 2 aero bridges, right? Another 2 aero bridges will be ready. There will be as many as 36 more check-in counters which will come up. So 32 more these check-in counters which will come up, which shows that things are only increasing for the better comfort of the passengers.
The Minister had said, so firstly we have not received any request for reduction in the traffic. In fact, on the contrary, the request has been there for increase in traffic. So over the last month to the next month, which is the forecasted month, so we are going to have a little more traffic. As far as the landing slots are concerned, we've offered as much as 340 slots. That itself the airlines are not able to match up. So there is no shortage of slots to land. In fact, they are in excess. Right now we have more than 150 slots which are still vacant, which the airlines can comfortably use. And all the development which is happening, we've upgraded our airport to the Cat 2, which is at par with Mopa. So in case of low visibility monsoons also the aircraft can now land. Earlier that was the limitation. So every which way I think that it is moving in the right direction, and the traffic is not reducing, at least in the foreseeable future.